Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals. Friends, as we move forward in our ITGC journey, where we have completed all control areas under logical access and change management ITGC categories and started information security ITGC category, where we have so far covered vulnerability management control area and currently covering patch management control area. Today, in the same series of patch management, we will understand how to test patch management for SQL database. So let's start with the first step in the process, which is the request. So for patch management testing, what we need is a couple of items. The first one is the deployed patch history for the SQL database for an assessment period, which can be anything like 6 months, 1 year, and so on. An assessment period plays a critical role here because whatever we'll be requesting will be for the same assessment period.